You say you're allergic to wax, huh? Yeah? Probably not. Now, I'm not saying that there are people out there who are not actually allergic to wax. Hey, almost everything in the environment can cause an allergic reaction to someone. However, most clients who say that they are allergic to wax are actually experiencing a bad reaction to a bad waxing technique. This is just one of many topics that I'll be covering in the Inga Bailey Brows curriculum. But here's a preview of a few things that could be going wrong during your waxing service that could lead to a bad reaction. Burns. Due to wax that is extremely too hot being applied to the skin. Using Retin-A, Accutane, Differin, or any products containing vitamin A prior to a waxing service. Wax that is being applied directly to the skin without a barrier. This can cause a top layer of skin to be removed during the wax, which could then lead to major irritation. The improper type of wax used on the face. Improper sanitation and disinfection, which includes but is not limited to double dipping in the wax. Now again, these are just a few things that could cause irritation on the skin during or after a waxing service that could be mistaken for an allergic reaction. It is extremely vital to inform your clients about these factors prior to any waxing service. During my brow course, I will teach you how to properly inform your clients about these factors and keep them safe during a waxing service. I will also teach you how to prevent any skin irritation and how to have and keep a clean and safe working environment that is state board approved. Join me on Sunday, March 18th to learn about this topic and many more. Tickets can be purchased on my website, www.ingabaileyBrows.com. Hope to see you in class. Have a great brow day. Bye-bye.